This is the third video in a series with interviews from the All British Day of the 27th of April in Newcastle. This video is an interview with Micheal about his 1925 Morris Cowley Bullnose that he was gifted on the condition he restore the car. The Morris Bullnose originated from 1915 and was in production until about 1926 as a four-seater car, and 150,000 were built, mainly due to American engineering and production techniques using many components from US suppliers. Micheal's car was converted to a lorry or ute in Australia before he acquired it. We spoke with Micheal, initially asking why the car was named Billy's Cart.
Why Billy Cart?
Because the fellow who gave it to me, his name is Bill.
He was Bill.
He's Bill.
Right.
So I said, Billy's Cart.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
And he loved it. When he seen it, he came to see it. Yeah, a tear come out of it.
And it's boy's own manual, isn't it?
Exactly.
You know, Billy Cart.
Exactly.
Down the street.
Exactly.
Yeah, fantastic.
It was a four-seater originally.
Yes.
And he converted it in the 50s,
Yes.
the original owner,
Yep.
as a lorry.
Right. As a lorry, not a ute. Yeah.
A ute lorry.
Lorry, yeah.
It had a different tray on it, which was non-existing anyway.
So
I
you've
changed
done all of this?
all of this.
Fantastic.
He gave it to me
Yeah.
because he wanted it done. I got other cars. I got a Morris low light and an MG, and he saw the cars, and he said I would be able to do it. He wanted to see it done up, so his dream come true. So I took it on, and it took me from February to February.
12 months?
12
That's
months.
all?
That's it.
That's amazing. I
That's
mean,
it.
So all the woodwork,
All the woodwork.
and you're a cabinet maker by trade?
I'm a boat builder.
boat builder, but that's so.
Boat
that's-
builder and sail maker. This timber here is what they call forest oak, which is very extremely hard timber to work with. The dashboard is rosewood, and the trim on the body is mahogany.
Do you get out much now on it?
Well, I'm waiting for the Morris Club to get it registered, because it's not quite registered. We put it on a trailer, and I'll drive it around town, you know,
And what you'll get it as a historic vehicle then.
as a historic vehicle. Yeah,
Right.
just like this.
Yeah.
Like,
So that's really interesting. I'm impressed.
yeah, it's 100. Next year she'll be 100 years old.
So it's a real labour of love, though. isn't
It is.
Yeah.
And a promise to this old fella that he'll see it on the road.
Sure. And parts? So how do you get on with parts?
Well, most of the stuff I made,
The engine?
engine parts, I made them up,
Yes.
whatever.
Yeah.
But the engine, I was lucky. It wasn't that bad.
Right.
You know, it was actually the best part in the car.
Okay. But I guess with engines, so you could probably find a donor engine in a wreck somewhere.
You can't find it on an engine.
Yeah.
The little bits that were not good enough, I was able to do them myself.
That's fantastic.
And a mate of mine with the truck, he's a good mechanic. He helped me out on that. He
So
did
you
the
need to
chassis.
have good mates, don't you?
Exactly. You gotta, well, you cannot do it on your own.
No, absolutely.
You can't. You always need.
So
I mean,
have you, your mechanical experience?
no,
None at all.
none at all. I'm only experienced in timber, upholstery, maybe polishing work and stuff like that.
Right.
Mechanically, I do little bits.
You learnt that or people helped you?
Exactly.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And you know, I'm a quick learner. If you show me, I'll do it.
Well, that's obvious.
Yeah.
We can see
You
the
know,
results.
It's
here.
like things on this, I didn't know what they looked like because somebody changed them, you know. And like the hood, when I first got it, had the canopy fixed
Yes.
because whoever cut it up, he cut the bows, and he made it fixed.
You're right.
So I said to myself, if I'm not able to make this fold, I'm going to have to put a heart up on it.
Right.
So I saved the bows, the original bows, which are 100 years old, and I made a frame, and it does fold.
Fantastic.
You know, I made it fold.
Yeah. Oh, that's really good.
Those bits and pieces, you know.
I'm really impressed.
Thank you so much.
I'm Bruce.
Thank you so much, Micheal.
Micheal.
Yeah.